In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best apps that you can use to get real-life money. And you can make up to $200 per day by using this 3 or 4 apps daily. Many of you people, I've seen, don't have computers, therefore you can't use the other money-making methods. Therefore, I made a list of the top 10 money-making apps you can start using to make easy money on just your phone every single day, and by combining all or even just some of these apps, you can easily help pay for life's expenses or possibly even more than that. Wouldn't it be great? If you got paid for walking, driving, riding a bikes or just whatever you do, to get started the video, simply click on subscribe button and like this video. If you don't want to miss the best money-making videos. So app number 1 is called HoneyGain. All you have to do to earn money from this app is create an account, sign up, and you're going to start making money. At the end of every single month, you don't have to do any work, you don't have to do anything, and if you're wondering how that's even possible, it's because the app runs on the background of your phone to gather information on how you interact with other certain ads from other companies. Don't worry, this ad won't keep getting your information. It's just going to see how you interact with other ads, and it's going to use that information of how you interacted with ads to sell to other companies, so they can make you better ads that are more convenient for you. So if you take a look in their website, you're going to see that the average people earn is around $55 every single month. It depends obviously on how much you use. You can earn at least $19 a month and the maximum of $184 a month. It also depends on how many phones you're going to be using it on. But I would say the average you're going to be making with this app is about $5 to $55 a month. If you don't go all in, it's not life-changing money, but it can definitely help you pay off some credit cards or some late that you have right now. App number 2 is called Eureka. So Eureka is an app that lets you take short surveys and get instant cash payouts for those surveys. The app has over 252,000 reviews on App Store, with a vast majority of those being 5 stars. And so it's pretty obvious that unlike a lot of the other survey apps out there on the market, this one is actually worth it. And so there are 3 different ways that you can make money with Eureka. The first way is obviously by taking surveys, but you can also do things like enter cash giveaways to earn even larger amounts of money. And you can earn free money every single day just for completing daily polls. Now on average you can expect to earn anywhere from 15 cents to $6 per survey that you take, and just keep in mind that most of these surveys are relatively short and they can be completed in just a few minutes. App number 3 is called Userfeel. And Userfeel actually pays quite a bit of money. And the way this app works is companies pay you to try out their website and other applications as well. Usually these testings consist of you trying out someone else's website, testing out their apps, taking small surveys, trying to find flaws in someone else's website, rating advertisements, and this app can definitely be worth of your time. If you're making less than $30 an hour in your current job, all you have to do to sign up to the website to start earning is go into their website or app and click the button Get paid to test. All right, on their website it says become a test and earn around $3 to $30 per test. Each test lasts from 5 to 60 minutes and is completed on your computer, tablet or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what your customers are looking for from a tester. So you can get paid from $3 to $30 per test that takes from anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes, so if you're making less than $30 an hour, this is the way to go. The cool thing about this website, if you're underage, is this website pays in Amazon gift card. So you don't have to be 18 to get paid through this website or this app. If you only have your phone and if you're under 18 and you can't get someone to open a bank account for you or a PayPal account or something of the sort, you can just come to this website, do some tests. You can do, I think, up to 5 to 6 tests every single day and you can get paid in Amazon gift cards. So you don't have to cash out. App number 4 is called Foap. This app is great. because it pays you to do something that you're probably already doing, and that thing is taking photos. So instead of taking pictures of things and posting it into Instagram, you can make money by selling to this website. So, if you're really good at taking photos and videos, they can pay up to $20 each, and if you're a photographer, you know how to take really good photos, so you can accept missions inside the app, which companies pay the app for a specific type of photo. And if you can take that photo, then they will pay you really well for those photos or videos. App number 5 is called Premise. It is a money-rewarding app that rewards you for completing simple tasks like completing a survey or taking pictures of landmarks in your area. You get paid per task, and the tasks vary per what you do that will call the price you get. And it's easy to cash out through mobile money or Coinbase. Depending on the country you're found in, cash out method may be different, and the tasks are really simple. You can even do a 2-minute tasks. This app is also supported on 135 countries around the world. So you can easily get paid in new currency for 1-minute tasks. App number 6 is called Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is a mobile application company that is changing the way that people shop and earn rewards for the products that they purchase every day. This company have established partnerships with many of the industry's largest companies. Using the Fetch Rewards app, scan your grocery receipt from any grocery, convenience, or club store. No more manually entering codes, completing tasks, mailing in proof of purchase, or managing multiple rewards accounts. Just scan your receipt, and Fetch Rewards does the rest. App number 7 is called Misplay. Misplay is the loyalty app for mobile gamers. Using this app you can earn gift cards for playing mobile game. The first step is download the app and discover new mobile games that are curated just for you. So, as you play, you'll earn units. Then redeem your units for gift cards to Amazon, the Google Play Store, and more. One of my favorite apps on this list, Swagbucks, is app number 8. Swagbucks provides you with a number of options, so anything you may do to earn money, including playing games, viewing films, filling out surveys, and, of course, accepting offers. One of the most dependable apps available is Swagbucks. Additionally, it provides options for you to withdraw money using a PayPal gift card and, if I'm not mistaken, a few other methods as well. The time it takes for them to pay you is flexible. It can take a few of days or only 2 hours. The 9th application is PollPay. One of the most popular survey apps is this one. In their drive to earn money using this app on their phones, millions of survey takers. Your incentives can be given to you in the form of free PayPal cash, gift cards, or coupons. The first step in using this app to create money is quite simple. Download and registering with PollPay is the first step. The next is taking surveys to build up your balance. The last step is exchanging your balance for PayPal credits, Amazon gift cards, and various other gift cards. It's that simple. App number 10 is called Google Opinion Rewards. This is actually a Google app. It's called Google Opinion Rewards. And if you know anything about Google, then you know they're credit-worthy. This app alone on the App Store has 158,000 5-star reviews. So people love it. So on Google website they say that they pay $1 per survey that takes an average 20 seconds to complete. This is the most easiest app to make money without do huge tasks. It's only pay you for only answering simple questions. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and like this video, then you will get new methods. Peace out. Have a nice day.